This is Doug Jr. with Reuther Ford here in Herculaneum, Missouri. We're here today with the 2019 Ford Ranger XLT. This particular one has a 3-inch BDS lift kit. Along with that, it has the American Racing aftermarket rims, a little larger, a little more aggressive Mid-O Ridge Grappler tires. As you can see here, this one's got some custom work done. Along with that, it's got some slight tint on the front windows to give a little more aggressive style. It is a crew cab. As you can see on the inside, it's, with the XLT series, it still gives you all the nice radio, 10 sets presets, seating for up to 5. Plenty of power outlets and power points on the dash and on the back of the console. As we come around the outside here, you'll notice Ford's got nice big LED tail lamps, along with the blind spot monitoring. It's got tailgate with the 5-foot bed. Nice thing on these, they are locking tailgates, so you don't have to worry about somebody snagging it from you if you go somewhere and sitting out in not the greatest of neighborhoods. Ford uses the capless system on the new Rangers. As we look in on the driver's side here, you'll notice some safety features in the back with the tether points for your car seats, as well as your side airbags. Along with that, they do have child safety locks on the rear doors. This particular one has the keyless entry key system, so you can lock the keys, lock everything up in the car when you're out camping or boating. Don't have to worry about losing your keys in the water. As we look in from the driver's side here, you'll see the 4-wheel drive selector and the gear shift right there in the center. Once again, it does have lane keeping and blind spot monitoring. Along with that, it's got automatic headlamps and the XLT features you're used to know. Fords you've been putting in them for years. And this is, like I said, the 2019 Ford Ranger with 3-inch BDS lift kit and the 32-inch tall Mid-O Ridge Grappler tires.